Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make veg ramen soup at home. First, let's create a delicious broth. Start by sautéing aromatic vegetables like garlic, ginger, and onions. Then, add your chosen vegetables, such as shiitake mushrooms and carrots, along with vegetable broth. Let it simmer gently for about 30 minutes to allow all those wonderful flavors to meld. Remember to strain it for a smooth, clear base. Now that your broth is simmering, let's prepare the other components. Cook your ramen noodles according to the package instructions. You want them perfectly tender but still with a slight bite. While they cook, prepare your toppings. Think about vibrant additions like sautéed mushrooms, crisp bok choy, or sweet corn. Don't forget a protein like seasoned tofu or a perfectly jammy soft-boiled egg. It's time for the exciting part, assembling your beautiful ramen bowl. First, place your perfectly cooked noodles into a deep, warm bowl. Next, carefully pour the hot, aromatic vegetable broth over the noodles, ensuring they are well submerged. Finally, arrange your colorful toppings around the noodles. Think about presentation. A visually appealing bowl enhances the eating experience. Your homemade vegetable ramen is almost ready to enjoy. Add some final touches like thinly sliced green onions, a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds, or a dash of chili oil for a little kick. Serve it piping hot to savor all the wonderful flavors and textures you've created. It's truly a comforting and satisfying meal. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.